In this video, I'm going to show you how Check My Tank can help you manage your oil by buying effectively, using efficiently, and ensuring you never run out. Let's start the application. Check My Tank combines reliable ultrasonic tank monitoring, mobile communications technology, and cloud-based computing to deliver a complete oil management solution. Check My Tank is available via any internet-enabled device, giving you the freedom to monitor your oil on the move, by smartphone or tablet, or from the computer at home or at work. Access your account information is by secure logon procedure. And once logged in, from the main menu you have access to a number of functions. First, let's look at what's in your tank. At the top of the screen you can see the system name for this tank and when it was last read. Then you see the tank itself, showing the usable oil and reorder, the maximum amount of oil you could safely order for your tank. Next, you see the predicted empty. Based on your usable oil and your current usage, this is an estimate of when we think you will run out. This box changes colour depending on the number of days of oil that remain to empty. More than 20 days, it's green. Between 11 and 20 days, it's amber, as it is here. And at less than 10 days to empty, it turns red. The final piece of information on this page is the cost to refill this and any other tanks you may have, containing the same fuel at the same location to the maximum safe capacity. If you have more than one tank, you can see your other tanks by clicking on the arrowhead and moving the spinner and then clicking. With all this information, you should never run out of oil. But with Check My Tank, we don't leave that to chance. Your tank sends you messages to tell you when it will run out. Let's look at these messages. Click on the three dots next to the arrowhead to go back to the main menu, and then just click on Messages. First, let's look at the days to empty messages. Your tank sends you a reminder to reorder at 30 days, 20 days, and every day from 10 days to empty. These messages appear on the Check My Tank application, and they're also sent to the email address you used for the registration. So, now you know you need oil. Check My Tank will help you buy it effectively. You can start the reorder process in 3 ways. Clicking Reorder in one of the Days to Empty messages, clicking on the supplier in the current screen, or clicking Reorder in the main menu. At Reorder, you can see a combined view of all your tanks containing the same fuel at the same location. The first figure in orange is the maximum reorder capacity. Beneath it is the estimate of days to empty after the indicated fill. That's how long your current oil plus the reorder amount would be expected to last based on your current average daily usage. If you don't want to order the maximum reorder, or you want to try and balance up the days to empty in each tank so they run out the same, you can change the quantities by clicking on the orange boxes, moving the spinners, and clicking Show Details. You can also choose not to refill some of your tanks. Once you're happy, click View Suppliers to see the prices quoted by participating suppliers delivering to your area. You then have freedom to choose which supplier to use. Click on the supplier and then choose to order by email or telephone by clicking the appropriate box, depending on the type of device you're using. As a final precaution, and to make sure you don't order twice, you can see the details of the most recent order, who placed it, and when it was made. When you're ready, click Place Order, and you'll receive a confirmation message in the application and by email. Your supplier will then call you within an hour to confirm delivery and collect payment. Once your oil arrives, your tank will send you a message to say it has sensed a delivery, and will ask you to confirm the amount ordered, the price paid, and the supplier, and will confirm the correct amount has been delivered, and add the price to the usage graphs. To finish messages, your tank will also send you messages if there's a sudden drop in the level of oil in your tank, through theft or leakage, or if the battery in your tank monitor needs changing, usually after 3 to 4 years. Now we've bought effectively, we can concentrate on using efficiently. Back to the main menu and into Tank History. The first screen shows you the tank usage graph. Here you can see your average daily usage for any tank for the last 180 days. To go back in time, just click on the body of the graph and move sideways. As well as showing the variations in usage, it's a great tool for seeing the effect of any saving measures you decide to try. like reducing the number of hours your hot water is turned on for. The next graph shows the changes in the volume of your tank over 180 days, allowing you to easily see the size and timings of fills and the rate at which your fuel is being used. Fill history shows you the movements in your tank over the last 180 days, with an opening position plus deliveries, less usage to arrive at the current volume. It also shows a useful log of deliveries, the date and amounts delivered, and the price paid. The final screen is spend, a graph that converts daily usage into a daily cost and shows an estimate of the cost of oil per month. We hope you agree. Check My Tank is a major step forward for the domestic oil user that will save time and money. Join today by clicking the Join Now tab on the website and complete your application.